In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customer testimonials on Shopify. Testimonials are an effective way to build trust with potential buyers and showcase the positive experiences others have had with your products. By displaying genuine feedback, you can create an emotional connection and encourage new visitors to become customers. Let's delve into the process, which will help you seamlessly integrate testimonials into your Shopify store. To start, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, locate the Online Store section, which you'll find on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From there, direct your attention to the Themes option. This is where the magic begins. When you click on Themes, you'll be presented with your current theme settings. What we want to do next is customize these settings to add a testimonials section. Click on the Customize button associated with your current theme. This will direct you to the Theme Editor, a powerful tool Shopify offers for personalizing the appearance of your store. Now, once you're in the Theme Editor, you'll see a preview of your store. On the left-hand side, there is a panel where all the sections and features are listed. To add a testimonials section, you'll want to add a new section. Look for an Add Section button, typically located at the bottom of the list. Clicking this will present you with a variety of elements or sections you can add to your site. Browse through these options until you find a section or block labeled Testimonials or something similar. Select it, and just like that, a testimonials section will be added to your store's layout. With the section added, we now turn to the customization part. Click on your newly added testimonials section to start editing. Here, you can input customer reviews, adjust the display style, and set preferences that align with your brand's aesthetics. Enter each testimonial, including the customer's name, a brief but positive synopsis of their experience, and optionally, a picture if your theme supports it. Remember to ensure that each testimonial is concise yet impactful, highlighting the aspects of your product or service that truly stand out. As you continue, you might want to play around with the order and layout to see what presentation looks best on your storefront. The goal is to maintain a clean and professional look, so keep that in mind while adjusting the settings. When satisfied with the arrangement, click the Save button to apply all the changes you've made. And there you have it, your Shopify store now features customer testimonials, enhancing its credibility and appeal. Adding testimonials is a powerful way to build trust and credibility among new visitors. Don't forget to ask your satisfied customers for honest feedback, as these authentic voices are crucial for this feature. With these positive reviews prominently displayed, you're well on your way to boosting conversions and fostering a loyal customer base. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling!